Using Google Display Network ads can help you to get in front of a local, national or international audience. Hello, I'm Muzair and thanks for watching this video. Image, text or video ads used on the Google Display Network can help you to expand your reach globally across a range of demographics in both YouTube and Google. There are two main benefits to do this. Brand awareness. At SF Digital, we are strong advocates of the use of video to build brand awareness, especially on high visibility sites like YouTube. You can reach top of the funnel audience at a very low cost and make your brand, product or services known to your audience. If your audience doesn't know you, they can never buy from you. Drive traffic via targeted placements. You can use existing text, video and image ads to decide where to place them on the Google Display Network, YouTube, or you can target other websites or placements on a wider scale. So how do ad placements work? Within the Google Display Network, ads can be placed upon content where publishers have allowed Google to place ads on their websites. This is how websites like CNN, BBC, ESPN or Huffington Post monetize their content, by allowing networks like Google to place ads. By placing or targeting particular websites on the Google Display Network, you don't waste your ad budget as you know the kind of audience which visit these websites. Placement targeting is one of the best ways to get in front of your targeted audience. However, you will find a fair amount of competition from your competitors who will also be targeting such placements. For example, if I'm selling football shoes, I can target the pages on ESPN, BBC, CNN or any other website or web pages about football and place my ad on it. I know that people who visit these pages are very interested in football and they are the right audience I want to get in front of. The other great thing about the Google Display Network is that there is no issues of scalability which you may find on other channels or networks. There is so much traffic that you can spend as much as you like and still you won't run out of traffic. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for joining in and I look forward to seeing you in my next video soon. Bye for now.